that goes along with me. We'll see how it goes.
Now I went down on my bet, but I've been playing this.
Oh, and you just hit the green.
I know.
Isn't that something how that works? At least I got a good empty board. Need another multiplier. Come on, multipliers.
Yeah, this should have hit a long time ago. Like that.
Music's getting faster, so it's getting ready to run out of juice. More multipliers, please. This is my last spin. Oh, I got 3 more. Come on, multipliers. I'd like it on the 5th row. Let's get a ×3. Come on. Last spin. What's that?
With you?
Oh, nobody with me.
Oh, okay. I'm trying to get you some new friends.
Oh, no. No, I'm talking to my phone. Good luck.